Ubuntu, Fedora, and Linux Mint may soon face a major change because of a new law in California. A law called the Digital Age Assurance Act, also known as AB 1043, is set to take effect on January 1st, 2027. This law requires operating systems and application developers to verify the age of users to better protect minors online. According to the proposed regulation, operating systems will have to ask users to enter their birth date during the initial setup process. This information would then be used to determine an age category, which could be shared with apps when users download them. The goal is to ensure that applications follow child privacy and safety rules. This development has already sparked discussions inside the Linux community. Earlier this week, Ubuntu developer Aaron Rainbolt started a conversation on the Ubuntu mailing list about how Linux distributions could handle age verification. One idea suggested creating an optional system interface called org.fredesktop age verification 1, which would allow applications to request age information from the operating system if the distribution decides to implement it. However, Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu, clarified that no official plan exists yet. John Seeger, the vice president of engineering at Canonical, explained that the company is aware of the legislation and is currently reviewing it with legal advisors. He also emphasized that the mailing list discussion was simply an informal community conversation and not an official announcement. Meanwhile, similar conversations are happening in the Fedora and Linux Mint communities as developers explore how their distributions might respond to the upcoming law. Some projects are even considering more drastic actions. For example, the operating system Midnight BSD has discussed the possibility of excluding California users entirely rather than implementing mandatory age verification. And this issue goes far beyond just a few Linux distributions. The law would potentially affect all Linux systems, desktop environments, and software distribution platforms like FlatHub or the Snap Store, since they may also need to comply with age verification rules when distributing applications. What makes this situation even more significant is that California is not alone. Similar regulations are already being discussed in other US states such as New York and Colorado. On top of that, age verification and child safety requirements are increasingly becoming a global trend. The European Union's Digital Services Act, which came fully into effect in February 2024, already includes strict rules aimed at protecting minors and ensuring safer online platforms. But while these laws are designed to improve online safety, many people in the open source community have raised serious concerns. Critics argue that requiring birth dates at the operating system level could allow apps to infer exact personal information, potentially opening the door to privacy risks or even government surveillance. For a community that values privacy, anonymity, and user freedom, this debate is just beginning. Over the next year, Linux developers, companies, and lawmakers will need to figure out whether age verification can be implemented without compromising the core principles that make open source software so powerful. And the big question remains, will Linux adapt to these new regulations, or will it find a completely different path?